Hello everyone, I am Richa Kulkarni. I am going to talk about Bearcat Smart Diner application designed by our group. My group consists of me, Richa Kulkarni, Deepika Ramesh and Renuka Arora. Let us look at the agenda of the presentation. In this presentation, first we will be looking at the introduction part, then the purpose for designing Bearcat application, then, how were the requirements gathered and who were interviewed? And then, the list of requirements we came up with after the interviews. Then, what was our focus on while designing? And then, Deepika Ramesh will walk us through the app to give us a complete understanding of this app. Bearcat Smart Diner app provides all the food related information within the UC campus. It is supposed to be compatible with Android as well as iOS devices. Let us look at the introduction part of this application. Bearcat Smart Diner app would be a one-stop solution for all UC campus diners. This app was mainly designed for UC students, faculty, staff and other employees, food committee in UC and also UC visitors. It will help diners find restaurant locations within the UC campuses and also provides them information on everyday menus, prices, and also nutrition information for each of the listed dishes on the menu. Let us see what was the purpose for designing this app. UC, being a very reputed university, attracts students from all over the world. There are many national and international students, UC staff and visitors who come to UC campuses for multiple reasons. When it comes to food, UC diners prefer a place which is near to their location as well as has the kind of food they want. There are also situations when diners go to UC restaurants and are disappointed looking at the menu there and then end up eating whatever they get due to time and distance limitations. If diners knew in advance about the menu that day and also could read reviews on those dishes from other diners, they will be free to choose what they want. Presently, there is no such mobile application available. The main purpose of designing this app is to help UC diners not only locate the restaurants in their campus but also get all the food related information. Bearcat Smart Diner is a must-have app for UC community who dine at University of Cincinnati food joints. This app is developed especially for UC community. It provides the ability for UC community to select dining halls, maps, restaurant hours of operation, retail dining, campus market, nutrition guide, campus cafes, campus freebies, and also discounts. In this app, user is given facility to like, share, comment, and also rate. The requirements, we selected a user group of 4 members and interviewed them. This group consisted of 4 members, from which 2 were female within an age group of 25 to 35 and 2 were male within an age group of 30 to 40. Certain characteristics were selected to understand the problem that is prevalent, such as the nature of usage. This characteristic assists to measure ease of use. Smartphones regular users might have ease of usage need as compared to the users without the smartphone. Extent of usage. In this, we are identifying how much time user spends on the application. Day boarding versus hostel students. This would help us identify what group of students would have maximum usage for this app. Hostel students would benefit from this app even at night or early morning. Faculty members. Faculty members would also make use of this app for group events, lunch meetings, small get-togethers, etc. Visitors. Outsiders and visitors would be able to use this app as well with the guest login. As a guest through this app, they can use this app to locate a restaurant inside the campus and find the corresponding menu for each restaurant as well. Collaboration. Students and faculty can collaborate through the app by sharing their views, opinions, feedbacks, and suggestions related to the food and the restaurant. The method of data collection was open-ended interview questions. The main purpose of asking these questions was to understand the prevalent issues and user expectations from such app. Certain questions such as how often do you visit a restaurant in campus? Do you visit a specific restaurant in campus? What do you consider when you decide to visit a restaurant? Would give us exact requirement for which the user is looking for. All users were given questions and were requested for their honest feedback. They were promised to keep their responses confidential and only to be disclosed where absolutely required for project purpose. The feedback were then analyzed and evaluated to identify and finalize a list of requirements. On the basis of the responses we got from these participants, we came up with a list of following functional requirements. We identified them as search for nearby restaurants, get information on timings, create a dining account, browse a selected restaurant's menu, nutrition information for each dish, price of each dishes, and review and number of likes. We then designed the prototypes as per the user requirements. While designing the prototypes, major things that we focused on were ease of use, self-explanatory icons and buttons, consistency, match between user expectation and system reaction, pleasant and user-friendly interface. Along with all these, it should also provide required information to the users. Prototypes were developed and reviewed with identified users and other important stakeholders throughout the design phase. Based on the user review and opinions, final interactive prototypes were designed so that users could interact with the system to get a complete understanding on what this app actually does. Deepika Ramesh will walk us through the Bearcat Smart Diner app and tell us more on all these features.
I will be walking through the interactive prototype which we have designed for a student app. Here the new user can log in using the login page. If you are a new user, you can register by register page where you will enter your name, first name, age, email ID of the UC email ID and password, and you can submit it. If you are if you are an existing user, you can just enter your name or your registered name, username, and you can enter the password. And here for the verification purpose, image verification we have kept in order to make our app secured. So here we have used the image verification. You can log in using this. For second step, what we have done is we want to make sure that you are the person who is entering login. So we have kept a security question which you will have to answer. Like here, my security question which I have kept is like, what is the name of your best childhood friend. So I'll enter my childhood name friend and I'll submit it. And this is our home page where you can see the navigation. These are the menus which we have kept in a sidebar, and we have our dashboard, menu, special menu, dining hall, events, campus, market, social media, maps and direction, campus discount, news feeds, rate, and contact us. Suppose if you click on the menus, will be directed to the menus of that day's lunch. Suppose if it is you are looking for a menu of breakfast, you can see the the number of restaurants which offers breakfast. And here in a Bearcat Lounge, we can click on the Bearcat Lounge and we can see the breakfast menu. It's whole fruits, entrees, soup, salads, bread. And in lunch menu we can see the number of restaurant which is offering the breakfast. Suppose like Burger King, Chick-fil-A, Faculty Club, McMahon, Papa John's, etc. And in dinner we can see the dinner menus which are offered by. Suppose if you click on the breakfast menu, suppose if you click on the Bearcat Lounge, we will see that we have a whole fruit for fruit tray for $9, and for entree we have buffalo chicken, strombol, chicken wings, 4 pizza. And so if you are calorie conscious and if you want to know what is the calorie of each dish, we can click on, just by one click we will see the calories level, and what is the fat, what is the cholesterol, what is the carbohydrate present in that. In chicken wings we will see the calories, and in soup and salad. So we can, the user can directly click on the calories and he'll get the calorie information. And suppose if you want to know the dining hall information, if you click on dining hall, suppose dining hall, here we have kept a dining hall name as Stadium Cafe, where if you click on it, if you get timings like what time the dinner is served and from what time to what time, and what is the future schedule, and feature schedule time. You can select your meal plan, and if you want to find out the location, you can click on the location and you will be directed using Google Map. You can see that. If you want to see the events details on UC, we will see the event detail. If you want to know about sports, cultural, career fair, and others information, you can just clicking on UC events, you can get into that. So user get one-stop information from what is happening around the UC. Suppose if you want to do a vegetable shopping, you can click on the campus markets and you will see the vegetable market, and what is the timings the vegetable market is, and what is the location. If you click on the timings, you will see the menu of the vegetable market, and you can click on this and you can go to their website and try to do shopping from their website. And you want to know the location information, you can do it by clicking the location button. Let's see, we have kept an social media feature, like where user can tweet about what he feels, or he can like on Facebook using these icons in the down, and you can like on Twitter, Facebook. You can tweet about this cafe on Twitter. You can comment. We ourselves has developed a feedback news feed where you can comment on the user have an opportunity to share his view on the what he felt like that day's menu, and so on. Like suppose click on news feed, and here you see the comments from the user. Okay, the best place for Valley, and you can give your views. And we have kept a feature called rating. Like here we'll get a rating of all the restaurant. Like here is the East Campus restaurant, and Pearcat Launch got like 4 star, and Command get 3 star. On that basis, user can really get to know like what is the best restaurant he wants to have a dinner of the day, or he wants to go and try in a UC. And we have kept maps and direction, where you will click to the maps, and you can get and view like if you want to go to some location in the UC and you don't know how to go, you can use these features to get there. And if you have anything you want to know, want this app to be improved, or any information you need, you can try to contact us, and you'll be directed to the contact us page, and you can give your name, email ID, website, and message, and definitely the food committee people would look through it, and they will take your opinion, and they'll try to make it better way. Thank you for watching the video.